Straight from Nike, baby. We're ready to do this. You guys ready? I know it's already inside. It's the Nigels, and I took off the decals for the crazies. Guys, right after the intro, we're gonna get directly into it. This was the very weird intro. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it just the way it is. Run it! What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things, guys. And today, yes, it's ready to go. I gotta do first the little thing. I don't even know what that means, all right? You guys know what I'm talking about, the thing. I don't know what it's called, all right? Let's do this. You guys ready? One shot, bro. I'm an expert. Expert, baby. Come on, man. Come on. I feel it. Come on. I'm gonna cheat a little bit here. Shut up. It's always the same thing. It's always the same thing. It always makes me look bad, man. It don't matter, guys. Ooh. Yes. Oh, yes. Guys. Boop. No, guys, perfectly fine. Yes, guys, you guys are ready for this? First look, not a review. I need time to assess the materials because I'm a material expert, by the way, guys. Material expert, yes, guys. I know all the ballistic mesh, like the Jordan 11s, you know, and the leather purity with the pores. I know everything, guys. Yes, it is what it is. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. You guys ready for this? You guys are ready for this? Let's check it out, baby. Bastard, get your ass. And I'm back. Yes, guys, yes. Let's do this, guys. The box off the rip, nice and matte. It's not a review. It's not a review, guys. That stays for the review, you know what I'm saying? Guys, I gotta milk the videos here. Yeah. That sounded horrible. That was horrible, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is, guys. Just being honest. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know what I'm feeling, but I smell something. Okay, I was not expecting this. All right. Things got serious real quick over here. Okay, all right. Relax. Get it. Black laces. Red laces, okay. Bear with me over here. I'm trying to simulate something, guys. I'm trying to get something through my head here real quick. You stay right there. No, you're not gonna stay right there. You're gonna stay right down here. This is very different. Very different. Yeah. I love messing around, guys, but this is very different. Something that I was not expecting whatsoever. Guys. What the hell is going on? Here's the shoe, guys. There it is. Very beautiful. Very nice. At least what I'm by the top, but okay. Very different. All right. Like I said, guys, this is not a review. I need a couple of days with this sneaker. Definitely, I need a couple of days with this sneaker and analyze it. Yeah, I gotta analyze it. That's it. You might say, why a couple of days? This is something got me off guard off of it, guys, that I wasn't really expecting. You understand? And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's something that I'm not the biggest fan of. Let's put it like that. I'm not a real big fan of. Once again, guys, it is what it is. The curse of the reviewer. And yeah. I'm stuck at like I wasn't expecting. Let's give it a second. Yeah. If you guys have the shoe, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Like I said, I'm going to leave it to the review because I don't want to be... I need time with the shoe. Seriously. I need time with the shoe. I got to assess this in way better lighting. These soft lights, you know what I'm saying? Make things a little bit different. But, yeah, guys. Very, very, very different. Very different. Well, guys, it don't matter. I am going... I don't know if this is going to come out later. Yeah, odds are this is going to come out afterwards. I don't know. I don't know how fast I'm going to do the review on this and how much time, how much assessment I need for this. But if I did get it, I'm going after the shattered backboards through the app. Because right now, yeah, they are below retail my size of StockX. But I'm going through the app for the simple fact that between fees and shipping and all that through StockX is still going to come out a lot more expensive than actual Nike. I recommend you guys go straight through the app or wait. Honestly, wait till they break like the black toes that they bricked all the way through, and you guys are gonna be a lot happier with the price. Let's be realistic, guys. Brick City. Yes, guys, and you can keep the cheddar balling. You know what I'm saying? A lot better for you guys. But yes, let me assess this, guys, for a few days. I truly need to. Because there's something there that got me off guard. If you guys have the shoe, you guys probably know exactly what I'm talking about. And I need time. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the material expert. Like, you know, materials get them off guard completely. But guys, yes, yeah. Don't mind that I got serious real fast there, guys. I always try to bring joy and happiness, but man. Woo, look at that. I'm even nervous, you know. All right, guys, that's all it is. That's it. I'm ending the video right here. Till next time, everybody, I love you all. I'm always wishing you the best assessment time. Guys, it is what it is. El cohete. I did that opposite. That's how mind tricking it is. Yes, guys. El cohete.